So today I got a bit more done. I started sanding a bit of the surface rust on my door. That fender's coming off. I got another one. Started working up here where the weak spot is. You can see the hole on the other side. Right through the frame there. Anyways, that's going to get wrapped. I've cut out some cardboard templates. Those two short ones are for the front section, and that one that I'm looking at right now is for the front, and it's got the cutout for the cab mount. And for the front, that's on the inside. Two of those, it's just going to have a reverse bend. It's the same pattern, except where you see the dotted line on the top one there. That's where it bends, and you're going to be bending it opposite for the right and left side. And these two here are the templates for the back frame. So what we're going to do is weld them on. As you can see, I used some metal prepper. I used a wire wheel. Got the metal down to a pretty good paintable surface. I'm going to prime it. Use rust paint. Then just right on this edge here is where we're going to weld, because that's good solid metal. And what's going to happen is that piece will go something like that, and the bottom's going to bend in. It's going to bend in like that approximately. And we're going to put a long 3/8 steel rail all along the frame on the bottom, and these bends are going to go kind of, the rail's going to be on it, welded to the shackle right here. That's good metal. And the whole length of the rail right up to that cross member. And then these panels that we're going to cut out are going to bend over top of that rail that's going to be welded to the bottom of the frame. So it's going to have strength. So that's the progress so far. I think if I paint the whole cab or the whole frame like that, it's going to regain some strength. These little punky spots in the back, we're just going to tack some metal on there. I'm not bothering to make patterns for that. And this cross member where it's wore out here, you can see right down here. Kind of difficult to see, but you can see where it's rotted. There's a hole in it. I'm just going to put a gusset from the good metal here to the bottom of the frame. We're going to weld it. Same on the other side where you can see that hole there. Zoom in for you. Another gusset from the good. We're going to drop the tank tomorrow sometime. That will give me access to the underneath these cross members. I'm going to go over it with a fine-tooth comb. I bought some new wire wheels today. I don't like the brass ones, but that's all they had. I found one good steel one. These are very handy. But hitting it with the air chisel works really good to loosen all the scale. And then I put that air line in there with the wand on the end. Blows all the... I put that on that. And I stick that in the holes in the frame and blow all the scale and all that shit out of it. And I'm going to get a spray gun and spray the interior once it's all painted. Before we start doing any welding, I'm going to spray it with some chainsaw bar oil. It's really thick and gooey. I got that idea from another YouTuber. He was fixing a 4Runner frame, and I thought he did good work, so I took some of his ideas. So hopefully I'll show more videos of the progress of tomorrow's work. Here on this side, the hole's on the outside of the frame, but there's good metal right underneath that cab mount, so that's why those patches aren't very long. They go from the good metal here, cover the hole, and go underneath, tack to they're cut out so that we can weld here, weld up in here, and we're going to put strengthening gussets right across here. So, until later, thanks for watching.